This is a magazine rack that I found 10 years ago, maybe more. Found it on the side of the road, down by a canal where all the bins were. It was just left there. We're going to make it look the same as those, or close to those as I can. Just going to strip the paint off, sand it back down to base wood, put some stain on it, boot polish it as per normal, and that's that. Right, let's have a go.
I am.
You're not mummy anymore.
No.
You're daddy.
Yeah.
Right, this is almost the finished project. That is all of it stained as dark as I want to go. Actually, it doesn't look that dark there because it's in the window. Let me move it. Right, so that's still doesn't look that dark. Right, well, it is dark. The polish I'm going to use on it is going to make it even darker as well. So that's as dark as I want to go with that. Issue is, when I put it back together, so when I was taking it apart, let's see if I can find any on that side. Yeah, so you see those things. 2 holes there, 2 holes there. They are, if I can find ones with them in, you know, you get those things with flat pack furniture. I'm guessing this used to be a flat pack thing. Well, it's got those in them. So they snapped. They literally crumbled when I was taking it apart. My thought is, do I wait, get replacements for those, or do I just try and put it together as it is and then screw the rest in? Yeah, I'm probably not going to wait. I'm probably just going to put it together now. So we'll put it together and then I'll polish it. Right, that's next. There we go. There we go. Finished. That took me so long to do. The sanding alone took forever. I mean, it literally took, what, about 2 weeks, I think, to get the sanding done. Only because I was doing it in between being a dad, going to work, and doing life things. Might get a hand sander. It might be a lot easier, as in like an electric hand sander. But I think that looks all right. It will eventually go that dark, and then hopefully that dark. But at the moment, it looks a lot better than it did. Look at that shine. You see that shine in? Hold on, where is it? There it's gone. And that is where it lives. Magazine rack. That's what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. Nice.